दोस्तों आज हम लोग आपको बताने जा रहे हैं एक बड़ी मज़ेदार सी ट्रिक जो कि काफ़ी बेसिक है और काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोगों को मुझे लगता है कि दिक्कत आती होगी इससे। वो है दोस्तों, अगर आप भी कॉर्पोरेट यूज़र हैं, अपने फ़ोन में आउटलुक को यूज़ करते हैं, तो जनरली व्हाट हैपेंस इज़ व्हेनेवर यू रिप्लाई टू अ ईमेल, देयर इज़ वन additional line that gets added to your mail, that is get outlook for android in your end of the email. Okay, and this is a big problem for many of us, and you might be looking for a way through which you can probably disable this particular issue. Now this is fairly simple ask and fairly simple way to disable this particular line automatically. So I will just show you what happens. So whenever, let's suppose, you are on a your email, whenever let's suppose this is my email id, whenever I try to create a new email, I click new email, and what you will be able to see is automatically it comes as get outlook for android. And this is a problem, yeah. This is something that I don't want at all. Now how to remove it? One option is, this is not a good option, obviously. This is not for what you are here. You are here to find the actual solution of this problem. So what you have to do for this is to remove this get outlook for Android or maybe for iPhone. There is a simple option. What you have to do is you need to go to your Gmail account or whatever account that you are there in Outlook. What you have to do is you need to go to settings on the left hand corner, and what you need to do over here is you need to click on signatures. Yes, you heard me right. It is the signature which is automatically being added to you each and every email. What you need to do is you need to enable this per account signature, and then click over here, remove it, and then probably if in case you want to add, you can just add his thanks Ankit, and this will add your signature as this. Now, when I go back, try creating a new email, that is from here. Now you would be able to see automatically it adds my name, my signature over here, and not the line that get Outlook for Android. Does it help you? If in case yes, please like this video, share it if in case any one of your friend also faces the same issue. This is a small video that I created. I hope you will support this video. Thank you very much.